In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom AI Companion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what it can do, and how to get helpful results right away without any guesswork. First, head to your Zoom dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on AI Companion. This is where Zoom centralizes its new AI features, so you can work faster with your existing meetings, notes, and recordings. A new page will open. Front and center, you'll notice a text prompt area, much like a chat box. Right below it, Zoom offers a set of suggestions. Think of these as ready-made ideas you can use immediately. They're designed to show you what the AI companion understands and how it can help in everyday scenarios. These suggestions cover the most common needs. You can post meeting follow-ups, which is perfect for drafting action items and polite wrap-ups after a call. You can summarize a day's meetings to quickly catch up on key decisions and next steps. You can analyze or create reports for meetings, turning raw notes into structured summaries or simple reports. And you can summarize meetings and documents, helping you get the gist without reading everything line by line. To get started, you can either type your own prompt or click one of the suggestions. If you're writing your own, be specific about what you want. For example, you might say, summarize today's project sync and list action items by owner, or create a brief report highlighting decisions and open questions. If you're working from multiple meetings, try summarize my meetings from today and highlight deadlines, so it focuses on time-sensitive items. For documents, you could ask, summarize this document into 3 bullet-style sections: purpose, key points, and risks. The clearer you are, the better the output. A few tips for stronger results. Include the meeting title or date if you can. Mention the tone you want, formal, friendly, or concise, and ask for the format you prefer, such as a short paragraph, a checklist, or a brief report. If the first result isn't exactly right, refine your prompt by saying what to add, remove, or reorganize. You can also ask it to shorten, expand, or clarify specific points. That's all there is to it. From your Zoom dashboard, open AI Companion, use the prompt area, lean on the built-in suggestions, and customize the results to match your needs. Start simple, iterate quickly, and let Zoom's AI Companion handle the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on what matters most. And there you go. That's all.